This dad hid from his 3 daughters after he invited them. His oldest daughter came through her coffee and walked in without a word. When the second daughter came, the worker thought she would give him a tip, but she threw the trash to make him pick it up. But his younger daughter gave him her water and used the other door to not ruin his cleaning. When they all gathered, he gave each of them a box. The elder girl found a dirty cloth soaked in coffee, and the second one found the trash she threw. But when the younger girl opened it, she found a letter saying his dad's house is hers now, and if she deserves it, subscribe. This teacher wrote on the board that 2 plus 2 is 5 and told all the students to remember this. But one student raised his hand and said that 2 plus 2 is actually 4. The teacher got annoyed with him and asked him to sit in silence. When the teacher continued the lesson, another student stood up. This boy even tried to explain using his fingers that 2 plus 2 should be 4 and argued with the teacher about it. Then the teacher got very pissed and left the class. When he was gone, other students told the boy to stay quiet and listen to the teacher. The teacher returned with 3 of the best students in the school. These students also agreed that the answer was 5. Then the teacher called the boy to the board to write the answer. But the student was stubborn and wrote 4 again. They immediately stopped him and took him out of the class for being stubborn. The teacher said again that 2 plus 2 is 5 and wrote it on the board. All the students started writing this, but a boy silently crossed out the 5 and changed it to 4.